I asked Bill what beach that was. Spring Lake. Okay then.
It's weird. Part of my tummy is like almost numb. Like the part above the incision.
Mm-hmm.
Should I fall asleep now? No, just like. Look at that. Did you see? She like got up on her knees but then pushed up and made like a triangle with her toes. See? I feel like she's pretty freaking strong for a 4-day-old.
Mm-hmm.